The Computer Networking Technology program at Mississippi Delta Community College is designed to equip students with hands-on skills in IT fundamentals, network administration, cybersecurity, database management, and programming, all aligned with industry-recognized standards.
Any person who is coming into this program they will learn about how the IT world works. That's the first thing. And then second, how can they protect that IT world? We prepare students to work in the IT field, becoming a network administrator. They can become a database analyst. They can become a database administrator. They can also become a programmer if they want to be, a cybersecurity analyst. In a nutshell, cybersecurity will be protecting your computer from harmful softwares. IT support is fixing your computer and your software inside of that computer. So at MDCC, we don't have a big classes, we have small classes, so that gives us an advantage to focus on each student as much as possible. And for example, if a student has a problem, they can come to me directly and I can talk to them. I can spend time with them to find out the solution.
We offer pathways including a technical certificate, an advanced technical certificate, and an associate degree, allowing students to tailor their education to their career goals.
You could earn at least $40,000 to $70,000 just by doing the programming. The more experience you have, the more money you will get in the coming years.
So why wait? Join us and start building the future, one network at a time.